So I'm looking to find out why the horn won't blow. The horn relay is a complicated bugger, and it looks like this. This is also used in 60. I don't know, but maybe 57. I couldn't tell you without looking. This, if you can see, it's got an H on it. That's pretty simple. That's the horn feed. The wires just come out of that and they blow the horn. This says B. This is the battery. So there's juice going here. This, well, I suppose it says S, is a 12-volt feed coming off of the ignition switch. You'd say, why would I need that? I already had battery feed here. That's how they did it back then. This is the wire that will run to the horn button looking for ground. These relays only work with the key in the on position, which is, I suppose, reflected in that you don't have any juice at this terminal if the key is not on. So that's what it looks like here. And this is what it looks like loose in the car. And this is the ground wire. I've checked this one. With the switch on, I do have volts, and if I ground this, I do get horn blow. So my problem then has to be this wire, which goes to the horn button. And the way it does it is it disappears into the main wiring loom that runs to the firewall. Yes, I've got my ohmmeters out and I've been checking. So it comes in with all the rest of the wires, and this is the group that will run up to the turn signal switch. Now, these all enter the steering column. Yes, right about up in there. And so they run up the steering column to the switch where it does its gizmos, and this is your contact for the horn switch. So this is the button that's looking for ground. And I got under here and I found U. This wire runs to the horn button, and has been disconnected, and I do find a loose, there it is, but I do not get continuity from here back. So more checking required. I may have to run another one of these wires. By the way, this is the horn relay on a 57. It is similar in principle to the 59, but it is a different piece. But they still run a whole bunch of wires out here. And apparently the thought must have been at the time, you don't want the horn to blow if the key is not on. Okay. Finishing up the horn problem. I've run a new wire from the ground because I was suspecting that this old wire somewhere lost continuity. And you can see I've snaked it just along the outside. I will tidy it up. I have connected it to the column wire. I've got a jumper which will act like the horn switch, and the test is, do you get the horn to blow with the key on? So I can button up the horn issue and move on to fuel sender issue. So this horn isn't working. It's a big long trumpet horn that runs down, well, there it is. You can't get that out without having to loosen the dryer here and move things out of the way. So we'll go see what we can do to fix that.